Bonjour chers amis, welcome to Step by Step French Part 6. Kindly watch the previous videos to understand better this series. Tonight in French is called ce soir, ce soir. How do you say in French? It is for tonight. It is for tonight. C'est pour ce soir. C'est pour ce soir. How do you say it is for me in French? You know, it is for me. It is called c'est pour moi. C'est pour moi. It is for me in French is called c'est pour moi. How do you say in French, where do you want to go eat tonight? Where do you want to go eat tonight? Où voulez-vous aller manger ce soir? Où voulez-vous aller manger ce soir? Kindly think and give your answers. To have dinner in French is called dîner. To dine, in fact, we can say. The noun, the dinner in French is called le dîner. Le dîner. Now, how do you say, where do you want to have dinner tonight? Where do you want to have dinner tonight? Think and give your answer. Où voulez-vous dîner ce soir? Où voulez-vous dîner ce soir? How do you say in French, do you want to come have dinner with me tonight? Do you want to come have dinner with me tonight? Think and give your answer. Voulez-vous venir dîner avec moi ce soir? Voulez-vous venir dîner avec moi ce soir? To know in French is called savoir. Savoir. I would like to know. I would like to know in French is called je voudrais savoir. Je voudrais savoir. Now, how do you say I would like to know where? I would like to know where. Je voudrais savoir où. Je voudrais savoir où. Now, how do you say, I would like to know where it is? I would like to know where it is. You can say it, je voudrais savoir où c'est. Je voudrais savoir où c'est. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. ధన్యవాదములు.